friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today, and yes, I did peek, as is custom, as is tradition, but I didn't take it out of the box yet. I did open the box just for ease because I can't find my scissors, and I used this giant screwdriver. So, so just to spare you, you know, me having to awkwardly open the box with the screwdriver, I already did that. So Stitch Fix, if you want to learn more, I'm going to leave a description down below. They send you 5 items. If you want to try Stitch Fix and you haven't tried it before, I'm going to put my referral code down there as well to get $25 towards your first box. And yeah, it's pretty neat. I really enjoy Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix. We're drinking coffee today. It is a Sunday as I'm filming this, and I worked yesterday, which was Saturday. Still using my FabFitFun cup. Still going strong. I still love it. Alright, let's just get into it. Alright, they send you the mailer to mail things back that you don't want to keep. And, oops, oh, the envelope with your price sheet and your note came out. So, let's read our note first. Da, 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 da. That's the note unfolding music. Did I mention we're drinking coffee today? Hello again, Rachel. Spring is in the air. It's finally warming up. The snow is melting and soon the flowers will be blooming. In parentheses, she says, I'm sneezing already. I'm sorry, Deanna. So this fix, I chose a few lightweight options to transition you into the season. I also saw your request for the STS blue jeans, so I included this distressed pair. Thanks. You know I love my Bigos, but like the last few ones I've gotten, the sizing has been kind of weird. So I wanted to try this other one. I saw it on the Shop Your Looks, and yeah, I requested it. I know you like volume sleeves. I do. So the first top I chose is this fun tie-dye top in blue by Kaylee. Next, I chose a lightweight textured pullover in burgundy by Spruce. Great for summer evenings as well. I can't talk. And for a fun pop of color, do you like red? I do. I chose this peplum top with bell sleeves and tie neck by Look. I did size up for fit. Thanks, I did see that on there because I figure if you size up, it doesn't have stretch. So I thought it would be so cute with some flare jeans. It says, do you want to try a pair? I don't. I've lived through that already. I don't need that. Thank you. I know it says the 90s are back. I know. I don't want to try flare jeans. I'm good. Thank you though. Thank you for asking. The 90s are back. I can't wait for your video and feedback. Until next time, XO Deanna. Thanks, Deanna. Alright, so I'm super excited because I showed my friend Mari at work, and I mean, it's a potential 5 for 5. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna flip her over. We're gonna throw the box in my box pile. My husband opened the door to my filming room the other day, and he saw all my boxes in here, and yeah, we'll just leave it at that. There's quite a few. I was counting, and I filmed like 16 videos since being in this new house, so you can imagine the number of boxes over there. Without further ado, maybe I should break those down today, make him happy. Here's our bundle. Look at her. Look at her. Now I know you said in your note, do you like red, but this is orange. It's like, I would say it's a burnt orange. There we go. So yeah, it's looking good. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Little wrapper. She's really wrapped up. Alright. First we have, look how cute that is. If I like this, I'm going to wear it today. Because I have to go to Target. Who doesn't love Target? Kaylee, Lila Crewneck knit top in navy. But I would say this is like a soft blue. It does have some like darker spots. Little slight balloon sleeve, like a drop shoulder. Oh my god. It's so cute. And I'm just gonna like give you a little preview. The prices on this box, Deanna. Yeah, girl. Next we have by Spruce, the Denver front twist brush knit top in gray. I love a brush knit. Jill from Wantable Wears, if you're watching, I know you don't like brush knit, but I love brush knit. And I used to have this top in a yellow that I got a couple years ago from Stitch Fix. But I think I've donated it since then. Oh, it's so soft. This top that I'm wearing today is a twist front as well that I got from Kohl's. But oh, 3/4 sleeve. It's so soft. Next we have the Market & Spruce Excellia textured crew neck pullover in Burgundy, extra large. You know, it says Burgundy, but I would say it's more like a magenta. Magenta. But it's really pretty. I think you'd have to wear a cami or something under it because it is more like an open weave. And it has kind of like a straight bottom edge, I think. We'll see when we put it on if it's a little more rounded or not. But that's cute, and see how it is like a little bit more open weave. So yeah, that'll be good for spring. Spring! Did you hear that? Coffee. And we have, this is the one she sized up in because it doesn't have any stretch. And this is by Luck, L-U-Q, Sydney Peplum top in red. But this is for sure orange, which I love orange as well, so that's really cute. Has like little crochet detail on the sleeve there. Kind of like crochet, like a stitch patterny kind of thing. I'm so good at explaining clothes. And a peplum. That could be cute. I'll have to put a cami on for both of those. And then we have the jeans. Oh, they have a scissor hem. And they are STS Blue LE High Rise Skinny Jean in Indigo, size 16W. Oh, those are nice. They have some destruction? Sure. Right there. And look at, they have a scissor hem, and I really like that. Let's see. Real pockets, front and back, no distress, not destruction. No distressing on the back. So that's nice. They're a nice blue. I really hope they fit. All right, let's try everything on. I'm so excited. Here's the first top. I think it's cute. It's got some wrinkles in it, but I have this spray. Let me go get it. Hang on. Okay, I have this spray, and I got it in a FabFitFun box. Which one did I get it in? I think the spring one? The summer one. The summer one. Maybe I'll put that up here. Is it summer? I don't know. Who cares? Anyway, I got this spray, and it's by The Laundress, New York. It's Crease Release, and it removes wrinkles. And I'm not kidding you when I say it removes wrinkles. So if I kept this top, I would totally use it on it. I don't want to obviously use it on it right now in case I don't keep it, and then, you know, it's just going to smell like Crease Release. But this smells so good, too. It smells like fresh laundry. Anyway, here's the top. I think it's really cute. I think the peplum hits at a good spot since she sized up. You can leave it undone like this, or you could tie it. I don't know if I would wear this cami with it. I think it looks fine with this cami, but maybe I would wear a different one. Yeah, or you could tie it. Like I could pull my cami down and then pull this up a little bit. Maybe? I don't know. No? No, don't pull it up. Don't pull it up. I think I like it untied better. So we'll pull that back up. Hike her back up there. Yeah, I think that's cute. I like the sleeves. Here's the back. And I have the jeans on, and they fit really, really well. I'm gonna pan down and I'll show you. I really like them. They feel really good. And they are a little bit less expensive than the Goss. Do you always feel like we're sinking when I move you guys down? Do you feel like you're sinking? You know, it's okay. Here's the jeans. They are very high rise. They come right up here. Here's the tush. I think they're super comfy. I really like the wash. I don't think I have any like that are this blue. Maybe I do. Here is the length of them. I'm 5'4". They're really nice. I like the scissor hem. I think you could probably roll it up too if you wanted to and cuff it. Yeah, I think it's cute. And with this top, I think it hits really nicely right there. I like both of these so far. Okay, let's try on the other 3 tops. For sure this is magenta, it's not burgundy. For sure magenta. I think it's nice, and it does have a rounded hem, especially in the back. The front you can't tell as much, but then when you turn you got the rounded hem there, which I've been really liking. I got a pink clover one that's like a light pink that I wore for my FabFitFun video, and that was a rounded hem and I really like it. Let me move the camera up a little bit. It's a weird angle. I got my hair done. I just got a little bit of like just a little bit of lightness put through. You can't super tell, especially in this light, but I just wanted something subtle just to break up the dark a little bit. Anywho, that was hair corner. So yeah, I like this one too. Do I love it? I can't tell yet. I do think it's a really nice color. And I do like how it's like really breathable. I would have to wear a cami under it, which I still am from the last shirt. But I really like the color a lot. I think I really like it. Okay, let's do the next one. Next we have the gray top, the Denver, you know, twist front, blah, 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 blah. Love it. Super soft. I might size down in it. I know my yellow one I had before was just a large. So I might see if they have it for exchange. Because the length is a little bit long. I prefer my legs to try to look longer if I can. Because they're not long at all. But you could always, oh, you know what, that's kind of cute. If you wanted to tuck it in, you could always tuck it in like that too. That's kind of cute. That is kind of cute. And it feels nice, like it feels nice. Like roomy, you know. I guess it is a good length for leggings if you were to wear it. Because it goes down, let me angle the camera down. It does go down quite a bit in the back. If you can see. So maybe I will keep it this size. Maybe, because like I said, you can always just tuck that twist in there with jeans or whatever. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, you guys, last one, let's do it. So this one's definitely more casual. I thought I was gonna like this one the most, but I don't know. Maybe I'll size down on this one because it is more like a dolman sleeve. The sleeves are big, which I like. I like balloon sleeves. But it is boxy too at the same time. I'm gonna get the tags out of the way. What do we think? Be nice. I mean, I still like the color a lot. I like everything else. I do like this. I think I would see if I can size down on it. What do we think about the wavy stripes? What do we think? I think I like it. Oh, let me bring my necklace out. It's gonna make all the difference. There we go. Much better. Yeah, I do think I need to size down. So hopefully there is a size down to a large. Because it's really cute. It's so super stinking cute. Okay. Let's go over prices. You guys are going to be jazzed about these prices because I was. Okay, let's do it. Wait, I lied. Let's tuck it in. I tucked it in. That looks cute. Much more, you know, waist defining when you tuck it in. Still gonna try to size down to a large though, if they have it. So, okay, let's go over prices for real this time. What a great box, Deanna. Brava. So here's the deal. I just went on the Stitch Fix app and the gray top is available to exchange in a large. And then as I'm wearing these jeans around, just walking down the hallway, I think they might be a little loose, maybe in the waist, like they are very stretchy. So I might try to size down to a 14W and see what that's like. And that's available as well. The one that wasn't available right now, and I'll keep checking the app and see because I have a few days to check out, was this one. The only one available to exchange was for a small. So I'm gonna keep checking it. But the STS Blue Ellie Skinny High Rise Jean in Indigo was $59. I really love these jeans. They fit really good, Deanna, except for like, I think they might be a little loose. Like, you know, yeah, there's a lot of room in like the stomach area, which is, you know, good. But I think I might try to size down. The Kaylee Lila Crewneck knit top in navy, $38. $38. Great job. The Luck Sydney Peplum top in red, but it's really orange, $40. The Market & Spruce Denver front twist brushed knit top in gray, $38. And the pink Excellia textured crewneck pullover in the color Burgundy, but it's really magenta, is $42. So great, great prices. That's what I like. Who doesn't like it? So the pick subtotal $217. If I bought everything, which I think I'm going to, $54.25 off of that. And then the order subtotal would be $162.75. And then I do have $20 in credit. So thank you. And so that would make it $142.75 for the whole box. So I think I'm going to do it. You guys, it's my first 5 for 5 in a really long time. So yay. All right. What a great box. $142.75 for 5 things. Nice pair of jeans, 4 spring tops. It's great. Let's drink some more coffee because obviously I need it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed already and you want to, because I'm here, you're here. You might as well subscribe if you want. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.